Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up in Raiz Investment. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Raiz Investment. After that, open its website. Furthermore, you will see sign up option. You have to click on that. Next, to create an account, you have to enter your correct email address and a new password. The page with different kind of statement will appear on your screen. To create an account, you must click on agree and click on I am an individual and continue registration. If you want to link your spending account, you can link it, otherwise you can skip it. Continuing these steps to create an account, you will be asked for your personal information and there are two more other steps which you have to continue. After filling up your data correctly, your account will be signed up. So this is how you sign up in Raiz Investment. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.